everyone, Lucas here, coming at you with another Term Tuesday. This week, I'll be covering income supplementation. Now, what is income supplementation? Well, in a nutshell, it's replacing a portion of your cash flow with another portion. So, for example, when you stop working, you're not having that paycheck come into your household anymore. So, we need to supplement that portion of your cash flow. And how do we do it? Now, there's a lot of different ways, and it's completely based on your circumstances. When are you claiming Social Security? How are you taking your pension if you get one? What kind of distribution rate are you taking from your assets? There's very important decisions that you need to make during retirement and prior to retirement that have to do with your cash flow and supplementing your income. Now, if you have any questions or would like to set up an appointment with one of us here at Focused Tax Solutions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.